I was going to make a video. I had scan tool hooked up, all my sensors hooked up. I was going to go the extra mile and do a lot of things on this. Oh, these stayed open since I shut it off. They were closed. But there's too many sensors disconnected and wire harness codes have to be reset. And so I got it charged, but the AC won't start. But another thing it told me, it said the coolant is low, even though both these coolant tanks are completely full. It says the coolant is low and put the vehicle down level to purge the, do the coolant procedure and stuff like that. And so the vehicle even knows that it's up on jack stands and it's not level before topping off and purging the air in your coolant. As you can see, there's literally 100 miles of ridiculous amount of coolant hoses going everywhere on this thing. Coolant pumps, coolant diverter valves going off in different directions. Yeah, got a system up here. Small little front end smack like this, almost 30 grand. And it gets pricey really fast. See you guys later.